What's up guys, Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video I got a 17 GMC Denali. It's a simple repair. Customer needed 2 front shocks, and these are the shocks that had the sensors in it. I'm not going to show you the repair, but I am going to tell you the story because the repair is really simple. In 15 minutes you can throw a shock in this thing, so it's not a big deal. But I think the story is more important than the repair. So when the customer brought me the car, the shocks had exploded. I mean, everything just came out of the shocks, and they were just squawking and banging all over the place when you drove, which was horrible. I priced them out. They were up and down the spectrum, price range from, I don't know, a set of them cost anywhere from $500 to a single one for $500 aftermarket. So you could spend as much as $1,000 on aftermarket shocks for this thing. They priced it around and priced it around, trying to save some money. They found the set on Amazon, a pair now, for $310, I think it was. Not a big deal. They bought it, brought it to me. I said, I'll stick it on. Of course, I can't warranty it. But here's where the story gets good. Amazon must be making a shitload ton of money, because here's what happened. I installed the shocks, drove away. The left front shock sensor wasn't working. It was a bad shock. Oh gosh, I figured here we go. Now we got to fight to get these guys another shock from Amazon. So I called Amazon for them. Told them I'm the repair shop, put the shocks on the car. The shocks are bad, one of them. I said, what do we need to do to get that one shock replaced? Lady said, don't worry about it. Take them other 2 shocks, throw them away. I'm gonna send you another set, no charge. So they sent another set of $300 and some shocks at no charge. Now I didn't charge the customer to put it on because it was like a 15-minute job. I was okay with that. I was just overly shocked that Amazon sold a pair for $300, gave you another pair for free for $300, and told me to keep the old set. So basically they got another shock if one goes out for backup, I guess. But do you imagine the amount of money that they're making, that they could just tell you to shit can $300 items and just send you out another one at no extra charge? That just blows my mind. We are in the wrong business. All right, I told you it wasn't gonna be a repair video, but I think that's the most jacked up story I ever heard. That you can make so much money that it doesn't matter to them. Just throw the shit away, even if it's good or bad, and let me just send you another one. That's crazy. All right guys, that's it for this video. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Catch you later.